5-minute videos. All it takes is 5-minute videos. Come on, man. Come on, man. Why did you do that to me? Why did you do that to me? Only 5-minute videos. So what we're going to do here with the DJI, now it's just been sitting there doing nothing, is we're going to put it back in the air. 77% battery, no problem. Take off, and we're going to try to film. Now this is not going to be as cool as with the mini, words. It's not going to be as cool as what you can do with the other one that I was using the other day. But you're going to be able to see a truck. You're going to see a truck drifting right underneath it, maybe. I don't know. How much higher do we need to go in order for this to really work? I don't know. This is fun. Drift! Oh, going the wrong way. Here we go. As I was about to say before, the Hubsan Zeno Mini SE is the one that you want to be able to do this, because it'll actually track you while you go. But in this case, DJI doesn't have that feature of auto tracking on the DJI Mini 2. They should. Please, people who do have influence, I don't have influence on anything. I've got like 1,500 subscribers. That's about all I got. I am rather ballsy though compared to a lot of the other reviewers, but that's okay. Some of them are really catching up, so that's cool. Man, I love this little truck. It's cool. It's cool. And you can see it in the air like that. Let's see if we can do a little zoom, but the zoom is not quite going to give us the same amazing effect as but I mean Roby won. I mean, come on, man. Roby won Kenobi hanging from the sky. Can you do that with other drones? I don't know. DJI is just made for these little package deliveries and stuff. And you guys haven't seen the other video, but he was packing a real punch. He had he had stones of steel, brass, platinum. He was extremely stony. So anyway, I'm hoping that the DJI won't just give up on the DJI Mini 2, because it is such an amazing drone. If only they could just, you know, give it some active track and give it live streaming, I would be able to do these things without having to go home and then cry for hours because I had to do some editing. I could just do them and have fun just like that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, DJI? Well, anyway, if you guys have influence, real influence, not just like pretend influence, you could maybe write DJI a letter and say, hey, DJI, wouldn't it be cool? Wouldn't it be cool if you finally made the live streaming capabilities actually work properly on the app, even for iPhone people? And why didn't you put some active track on this little drone? I mean, the Hubsan Mini SE Mini, whatever the heck that thing is called, it's got too many words for me to be able to process that in my incredibly small goldfish mind. So anyway, imagine all the people who would have more fun. Da 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 da. Cause you need a cameraman or woman. Non-binary is cool too. Just please, we need it on the DJI Mini 2. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Anywho, I'm going to go home now because I've humiliated myself enough and I've got so much editing to do now because DJI won't allow me to live stream these things, which is pathetic. Pathetic. It's pathetic. And it's grueling. It's grueling. So I'm just having fun here, just drifting away. Just running out that clock until it's my demise day. Doomsday, if you will. Anyway, let's bring